Right in here.
Right in, right in, right in. All yeah.
She uses a technique called tissue culture. It's a way of growing lots of new plants from plant cells.
Okay, further down.
First, she needs to cut open the sucker to extract the growing tip.
Further down.
This contains the special plant cells that can produce new shoots.
Well, there's not much left of it, is there? Right.
It's like the baby in the womb. You just have to get right in.
So like the baby in the womb?
The baby is right in there. The baby is so protected. You know? You can see the length, the process. Now we have to be more careful, more delicate. That's very delicate. It needs women's fingers.
Now that the tip has been exposed, Florence cleans it to make absolutely sure it's free of disease.
So after 15 minutes in that bleach,
then we move
what's
it
next?
We move it to 70% ethanol. There's a bit of alcohol there.
So ethanol?
Yes.
So after a good scrub up, it's straight into the booze?
Yes, it goes into the booze. It will not get drunk.
Straight into the alcohol.
The next stage is to force the tip to produce young banana plants.
So that goes in like that.
The growing tip is put into a high concentration of synthetic growth hormone. In nature, the plant would only have enough growth hormone to produce a shoot from the main dome in the growing tip. But the growing tip has many more potential shoots. These lie dormant, ready to become branches later in the plant's life. The synthetic growth hormone stimulates these to grow. It locks onto the membrane wall of cells and signals the cells to multiply. As the cells multiply, the new shoots grow. So from one tip in the lab, Florence can get up to 1,000 banana plants.
From this original pellet,
you
can only get one, but from here we can get up to 1,000.
I see. So when you plant one sucker,
you get one
plant.
One plant.
When you take out the growing tip, you get 1,000.
Yes.
This one, out of this 1,000.
Yes.
So that's a huge difference.
That's the tissue culture technology. That's the power of the science here.
In fact, the growing tip only produces up to 20 new shoots. But Florence can take cuttings from these. She continues to divide and replant the shoots until she has 1,000 disease-free plants. And after 7 months in the lab, the young plants are ready to go outside for the first time.
This is like a banana boot camp.
Yes, this is a toughening up.
Right.
But we have to do it right.
Sell this to me. What benefits would this have for me? And how much more would it cost me?
Well, it will cost you double.
This plant will cost me double?
Slightly more than double the
OK, in that case, I'm already thinking, well, do you know what? I could go and dig my own one up.
Yes, yes,
So what are the other benefits?
We have farmers who are making 600 Kenya shillings. They were making 100 from the traditional bananas. The income will be more. Plus, we tell you that if you got 100 plants, they're all going to flower at the same time because they're all uniform. You can see the uniformity.
The key to Florence's passion is her background. Her family were subsistence farmers. She saw a chance to move Kenyan smallholders from survival to prosperity.
Off we go.
She was so committed to the tissue culture technique that she left a top research job and put all of her savings into a startup company.
How do you go about starting something like that, though? I mean, what did you do first?
First and foremost, you have to be really persuaded that you have a vision.
Yeah.
And think seriously what is there for all these farmers I could help by taking the science and the technology that I've trained on so long to take them to them. And having said that, not everybody believed I was normal, eh?
They always thought you were mad.
We're off to meet a farmer who was one of the first to buy into Florence's vision.
She's a role model. There she is.
Her name is Esther Gachugu.
How you doing? You must be Esther.
Hi.
Lovely to meet you.
And I too.
Yeah, lovely farm.
Thank
Very
you.
pretty.
Oh, hi, Esther.
Hi, Franz. Very fine.
Yes.
Esther started to buy Florence's tissue culture, or TC bananas, in 1997.
This is where I planted the bananas.
These ones here.
Yeah, these ones.
Look at that.
This is 35 kilo bananas.
It's huge. I've never seen a bunch like it.
It gives me a lot of money.
Yeah.
First, when I sold it in 1997,
Yeah.
it gives me 21,000 shillings,
21,000 shillings.
Kenya shillings.
See, that's a lot of money.
It was a lot of money.
Yeah.
My husband couldn't
Yeah.
get the money like that.
Right, where are the bananas we're going to harvest?
Here, you can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Very big one.
Well, look at that. That goes over.